So Ant-Man has returned. So we're gonna set off together and go suss out a place that Dookie's told me about. It's called GingerPalmer'sJungle. Apparently there's a fella that used to live out here some time ago. It was a long time ago, but he's got a bit of a humpy, or there could be remains of a humpy out there, so it's pretty thick and dense. So I've been waiting to get some new camera gear, and Ant-Man rocked up at the right time, so we're gonna set out and see how we go. No pressure.
There you go.
Cheers. Oh yeah, I got him. Oh, nice. Still a bit flattened from when I first come out here. It's not too far away, then it just goes to jungle. Very, very impressive. So this used to be his driveway apparently. Ready?
Charge.
Stop for a break.
Decent sized tree that's come down, eh?
Just waiting for a bloody snake to be laying underneath the other side. Can't physically see that old truck, can you, anymore?
Yeah, I think it looked like it was coming through right here. Going that way, I reckon, to your left, Nick. It's a bit of poly pipe burnt there. Bit weird. Well, we've lost the track pretty quick, haven't we? At least it's open.
Could you imagine living out here? Oh, man. Bliss. If we go that way, it's sending us away.
Further away. So it's better that way in a straight line. She's thick country.
Big pig just screwed it up.
Something laying in there.
Let's just hope it's moved on.
I'm gonna get hooked up here on my backpack.
I see the light.
That was a bit of a trap.
Woo!
Not a man-made one. An animal one.
Can you imagine if we were in bear country, like, you know, everyone whinges about Australia being dangerous, but
Nigel bear?
Mate, I'd rather run up a tree, you know, get away from stuff. Imagine a bear just come running up there after you. So, you know, like, overnight you hear and see all these weird things happening, and you think, where do they go through the day? Well, this would be it. Right in here. There ain't no going back now, son. I was gonna bring the drone out, but she just would have went pooh. Lucky we aren't in Colombia. I hate to be going across someone's. Oh, very nice. Someone's stash.
Far out, man. I hope that thing works all right back.
We'll be right. Good.
Look at this, the old mud mussels. Old ones, but everywhere. A lot of them.
Imagine that being one of their biggest feet.
Yeah, I think we're going to come out on a little salt pan over here, right?
True. Well, made it to something. Oh yeah, more jungle.
This is like you say, we'll need to follow the back of the fucking mangroves.
Yeah, just walk that way, because that way is closer to going to centre than that way is, but...
Some big paper box here.
I'd be excited to find a custard apple, because palms there might be a few, but custard apple, how many of them are going to... And a mango tree even, like... Yeah. That's something we'd...
Mango tree is fucking massive.
You'd think he'd be pretty smart too and camp up, like, you know, as the likes of a man like that for wet season. Well, I wouldn't want to be sleeping down here. If I remember, man, I think Duke said the bike was leaning up against a tree as well. Unless someone's been out here for a ride lately.
Well, I'm thinking we get out that way. Look back this way and watch these different trees.
What do we have over here? What'd he put his crabs in? First sign of something. We've just walked up to the end. She's a no-go yet. We're struggling to find it.
Give us a sign, Ginger.
Can hear the ocean. We'll keep walking. And look how green this is.
She's a big turkey. Or two turkeys climbing a hill. The old pigs like eggs. Fair bit of work.
I'm king of the world.
Well, there's two turkeys standing here, that's about all I can see.
Two turkeys looking for something. So far.
No one's seen a push bike?
Have a look at the size of this tree. I think this is the one I've seen, man. Big, eh? That looks familiar to one I've seen, but for some reason I thought it was on the same angle as the other one. That way in full, but no. When I first come out here, no, we didn't come through here. Yeah, but remember when we seen that one back there? I said, oh, I remember seeing.
Fucking cedar tree.
I know. It's a wood one. Look at the size of it. Just big pig wallow. It's incredible, isn't it?
That is some old tree.
That is some big tree. That's cool. Unfortunately, old Ginger Palmer didn't want us to find it today, but that's alright. And who knows, it's been like that long, 40 or so years. Like, there could be nothing left. We could be looking for nothing, but yeah, any sign would have been a good sign. We could have walked straight past it, who knows, but it was a good trip. I enjoyed it. We both did. Well, let's find our way back out of here. It's warm out here, isn't it? You hungry?
Well, we will be.
All cooked over the coals.
Prime steak, spuds, veggies.
Looks like a smorgasbord.
It is.
Lucky I booked us in early. It's the track where we ended up going out to that jungle. Still, we never succeeded. Who knows what's left out there? It's been a long time. Still worth it. I could easily live out here. Have been for a little bit now. Find a shady spot and we'll pull up. So straight up, when I got out here and I look at it, I think of when I was a kid, we had a beach hut back on the east coast up in the Burdekin, a place called Plantation Creek. So yeah, that's what it reminds me of. I was only young when I had that, but you know, you still remember bits and pieces. But this is, you know, pretty much a hut as well. Right on the water, just out there. I'll give you a look. But yeah, he doesn't live here. He lives in town, but I remember him saying the first one that was out here got damaged a bit or taken down by the last cyclone that went through, so he had to start all over again. It would be a long way to go back and forth with materials and that, you know, because that dirt track's along, that's just the driveway. Before, that road wasn't even bitumen, so it was like all the way from back close to town, all the way out was dirt, plus then you got his driveway coming out here. That would have been a long haul to bring stuff out. Big job. I couldn't imagine the amount of trips back and forth, and then when the cyclone come through, you kind of have to start all over again. But yeah, what a place. I could easily live out here. My main focus would be the freshwater side of things. You can see, you know, you catch a lot off the roof. It'd be just the dry season. You know, there are a few creeks around here, but you'd have to have a pot on a trailer so you could dart out, fill your pot up. You know, he's all over. Of course he'd be all over that stuff. This is what he does. Then another little pod for a rainwater tank, but that would be my biggest thing, being all the way out here. Just fresh water. And play smart, don't play dumb, and you know, life should be good. Don't want to, yeah, got to remember you're in the middle of, you know, pretty much not nowhere, it's still close to, but if something goes wrong, this is a long way away. Yeah, you get bitten by a snake or something, but that could happen in your backyard in the city. Yep, I could definitely live out here. Come out, sit down of an arvo, just smell that sea breeze, have a coldie underneath the palm trees. Oh, Done well, Dook. This is mad, man. Oh, you could have your own killers in here. Got a fence happening. Shit, yeah. Spread out over a big area as well. Got your little patio. I won't go inside. Don't really like being here without him here, but he said go and have a look. But yeah, cheers, Dook. Yeah, this is my retirement. This is what I'd retire, and this, when I'm done traveling, this is the sort of spot I'd love to live. You got a seafood shop just out the front. Live off crabs, mud shells, pippies, periwinkles, fish, you know. And I think what he's planning on doing, he wants to, when he's up and going a bit more, he wants to actually like have people that if they want, they can come out, and he can show you his ways, you know, like you can experience it out here, go fishing, do whatever, but just experience the bush camping. Real bush camping. Oh, take us down to this water and I'll give you a look. Stay here, girl, okay? Pretty narrow track, this one, coming down to the water. Old Dookie had a bit of a run-in with a couple of crocs last time he come out here in the mangroves, but hence the fact why there's an old trap here. Yeah, he's watching one go after a shark right out in front there, and then heard something off to his side, and another croc come shooting out of just tucked up back in the mangroves. The tide was a lot lower then, so always got to keep an eye out. Shouldn't stop you from coming out to nice places like this though. You just got to be wary. The water's up high now. What a day. That is so calm. Oh, time to jet, girl.